There's something magical about the sound of a flowing river stream. It's calming, refreshing, and it can transport you to a state of total relaxation. Whether you're sitting by the river's edge or just listening to the sound of it in the distance. A flowing river stream has a way of easing your stress and bringing a sense of peace to your mind and body. Being in nature has been shown to have a host of benefits for mental health, including reducing stress, anxiety, and depression. If you like the video, please like and subscribe.